if you're afraid to lose your job to AI, you're not alone. But the good news is that I have done a deep research in both ChatGPT and Gemini that I will present in this video. I will go through all the big things you could do if you are below 25 and need to know what you should research or study, or if you are like me 40 plus, what you should focus on in the future, because so you not get replaced by AI or different stuff. So let's dig into the reports here. First off, you have the prompt I used in both ChatGPT and Gemini, and it was act as a career futurist, educational strategist, and labor market analysts. Conduct a deep structured research on how artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market over the next 10 to 20 years. And what different age group can do to stay relevant. This research is intended to help young people under 25, or maybe even younger than, choosing what to study, and older workers, 35 to 60. I hope that 25 plus is covered as well, who want to avoid being left behind. Present your findings in a clear, practical way with examples, expert quotes, and actionable advice. Break down the research in these sections. I will go through the sections later on, so we don't need to do it here. But let's go into ChatGPT. I will just showcase how many sources and characters the different researches have been based on. So in ChatGPT, it's like 10,500 characters, 1,800 words, and 68 minutes to read. Pretty short, if you say me. And they have used 16 plus sources. Here, the key sources are listed here. I will provide this research in the description if it's possible as well, a link to it so you can read it by yourself. And then we move into Gemini. Gemini has a bigger research. It's like 93 distinct sources they have used, and also 46,600 characters long the research. And both of these researchers are put into the fantastic tool NotebookLM that have done a video before about that as well. But let's dig in here. I can showcase how it works. Here you have it. Both of the researches is here, and then you have combine both of research and make a paper here. And you can do an audio overview of the research. You can listen to it. It's like, this is 5 to 6 minutes, so we don't do it in this podcast. I will showcase it in the end how it sounds. You can do it yourself. But we'll focus on I did a mind map of the research. It could be a good way to just get a good overview, and we will go through that now, and you can check how it looks. So here is the mind map, AI and the future of work, and you can press here. We get the different free trees here. We can go to impact of AI on careers. We open that one. High risk jobs that can be automated. So routine repetitive tasks, data intensive processing, yet AI can do it instead. Yeah. Examples, clerical, I'm not sure what the Swedish word or what is that meant. Customer service, yeah, I'm a bit of in the customer service niche myself. Basic analysis, yeah, AI can do that instead, yeah. Quantitative impact, millions of jobs are at risk globally, yeah. The easy jobs are going away, being automated. The AI resistant jobs then, what you should focus on, human qualities. Emotional intelligence and empathy. I guess that you will get. I guess you're born with it, I guess. Creativity intuition. Okay, you can see it. Critical thinking and complex problem solving, interpersonal and social skills. Yeah, you need to talk more into the camera. I mean, to be social with the camera, I guess. Interpersonal and social skills. Yeah. Examples. Healthcare, yeah, AI cannot cure people yet, but I guess it will get there with the robots maybe later. Education, yeah, still need to educate people, but I guess AI can do some of the stuff. Skilled trades, creative arts and leaderships. Are you in this resistant jobs right now, or are you going to study for them? Leave in the comments. Yeah. This is the AI augmented jobs that will be enhanced by AI instead. AI as a co-pilot, enhance productivity, automated tasks, and provide insights. I think AI is pretty much like my co-pilot in when I do YouTube. I do use AI to a lot of boring stuff like making descriptions and the titles. I did brainstorm then, and I can change myself to the better parts, and also do images or ask for summaries of things like this. The research, it's perfect for doing research for some video or otherwise. Examples here, let's go back. Marketing, sales and HR, legal, software development. Yeah, I'm also in software development, a lot of AI there right now. Emerging role, AI specialists. Yeah, I hope I will be an AI specialist soon then. Prompt engineers, yeah, like prompting this research. It's good to know how to do the research or learn the stuff. AI ethics, yeah, I'm not sure. It's a hot topic, I guess. Let's move back then. We go back to the prepare for the AI future. This is what you should do. For all ages first then. Learning and AI literacy. Continuous learning and adaptability. You need to adapt. You cannot you need to study AI or follow the trend or understand how it works, because otherwise AI will take your jobs, or someone with AI will take your job. All literacy, understanding capabilities and limitations. Yeah, we'll do it when you test AI. Mastering prompt engineering. Yeah, it's very good to know exactly what you want out of the AI or prompting. I've seen that myself when I do the prompt the images or prompt some other stuff. You need really to have a good prompting if you want to get the best out of AI. Cultivating essential human skills, critical thinking, creativity, empathy, and communication and ethics. I guess this is the parts that AI can't really do right now, but maybe in the future, who knows. So if you are under 25 years old, what should you study? Prioritize AI literacy, foundational digital skills. Yeah, study computer science, healthcare, engineering, interdisciplinary fields. I'm not sure exactly what they are. Explore alternative paths, boot camps, skill trades, creator economy. Yeah, creator economy. Yeah, could be good. Yeah, if not, everyone is AI creators later on. So, focus on AI plus X. Example, AI plus medicine. Okay, medicine. Okay. For older workers then, 35 to 60 years old, they should embrace reskilling, upskilling with AI tools. Pretty much like I do now. I learn AI, but for content creation, maybe not in my niche, but coding will be later, I guess. Leverage existing domain expertise, pivot to human touch roles, consulting, mentorship, and leadership. Yeah, I guess these roles cannot AI take now. Leadership, I don't think the AI should lead it right now. Utilize professional networks. Okay, maintain a positive adaptive mindset. Yeah, you need to stay positive and don't say AI is shit and don't do this and blah blah blah. So this is a very good way to get an overview. You can always deep dig into all these topics as well. Let's go into the global trends and expert outlooks then. Global regional approaches. Advanced economies, jobs affected by complementing substituting tasks. Okay. Emerging economies, lower AI exposure, but risk of inequality. National risk, lifelong learning, reskilling programs, egentligen Singapore and Europe. I'm not sure. I need to reskilling into AI, I guess, because AI is not that big in Europe. Key expert predictions then, what the experts say. Bill Gates, AI shifts work to specialized, creative and human-centric roles, healthcare and education. Sam Altman, he's the CEO of OpenAI. Humans will find new form of work, AI as a co-pilot, advocates UBE. Geoffrey Hinton, I'm not sure who he is, warns of rapid job losses in mundane intellectual labor, focus on physical jobs. Yeah, so you could be a plumber or something. Yuval Noah Harari, concerns about useless class, emphasis 4 C's. Critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. I think these 4 C's are really important in the future. Elon Musk, AIs will eliminate many jobs. It will be a necessary work becomes different. Okay, so this was pretty much all the topics in these researches. You can always go and read about the different topics as well in the expand if you want to dig deeper in these broader areas. So let's see here. If you don't want to read, you can always listen in this amazing tool, NotebookLM. You generate this podcast of these two researchers. You can always add more research here if you want, YouTube videos and so on, and we'll add that today here. But let's showcase how it will sound if you listen to this.
Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, there's just no denying it, right? Artificial intelligence is bringing this massive shift to our lives, especially our careers.
Absolutely. It feels like every single day there's a new headline, a new study.
Or a new
quick showcase how you can listen to it as well. If you're going to sleep or something, you can add the app in your phone to listen to it as well. But also I will just go back here. It's a new feature I saw recently here. The NotebookLM have added few pre-made podcasts and so on. And here, if you're in business, like business and earnings reports and so on, you have all the earnings reports here. You can listen to maybe other vibes report. You can click there to generate a conversation about the report. It could be a really cool feature. So I will add both the links to the researchers if you want to read them in the description, and also a link, if I can link to the NotebookLM page as well. I will link it to it, and feel free to. Hope you like this video, and bye bye.